The Eahora X9.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Eahora X9 electric bike.
Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. You have a lot of foam protecting it. Assembly is required and the user manual walks you through the process. I have linked the assembly video from the company in the description box. With the bike you get the charger, pedals, tools, front light, and user guide. Just to highlight the assembly, you have to install the handlebars, install the front wheel, attach the front fender, install the pedals, and adjust the display angle if needed. And just to go over some specs, the bike has an aluminum frame, 750 watt Bafang rear motor with 85 Newton meters of torque, 48 volt 15 amp hour removable battery, 4-inch large landscape color display, 5 pedal assist levels, a thumb throttle, 26 mile range on pedal assist and 22 miles with throttle only, 28 mile per hour top speed, Shimano 7-speed shifter, front and rear lights, front and rear fenders. The bike weighs in at 90 pounds with a max load of 280 pounds. And the ideal rider height is 5'1" to 5'10". Here is a look at the overall dimensions. A walkthrough around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front headlight, front suspensions, front fender, 20 by 4-inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, the battery, charging port, kickstand, hydraulic disc brakes, rear suspension, and rear light. On the other side, you can see the 750 watt Bafang rear motor, Shimano 7-speed cassette, and rear derailleur. The handlebar area, you have the brake levers, thumb throttle, horn, controls, LCD display, and gear shifter. Powering up the display, you can see that it's nice and bright, and it's colored and easy to read. Pressing the I button on the left side will cycle through the odometer, trip, max, and average speed. The plus button will increase the pedal assist levels, and the minus button will decrease it. The light button will turn on the front and rear lights. This is how the horn sounds like. And this has a walk assist feature. Just hold down the minus button for a few seconds until you see the icon. There are also advanced piece settings for more customizations. I'm not going to go through each one, but the user guide explains it step by step and how to access it. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts.
Alright, now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. The bike does have front suspension forks along with the rear suspensions and the fat tires. So let's see how it handles the bumps. Alright, it's nice and smooth. It's handling it pretty well, these bumps. I don't feel them. Alright, I'm gonna take it on the grass here into the sand. Alright, now I'm gonna do the pedal assist test. This has 5 levels. I'm gonna start off with pedal assist 1 and take it all the way to pedal assist 5 and see how fast we can go. After that, I'll just use the throttle. Okay, so this is pedal assist 1. Okay, we're at about 8 miles an hour. Pedal assist 2 now. About 10 miles an hour on pedal assist 2. Going to 3. Picking up some more speed here. About 14 miles per hour. Number 4. 20, and number 5. So we're about 24 miles per hour right now on pedal assist 5. 25. So it looks like we topped off at 25 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. So with the pedal assist, we got up to 25 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Now I'm just going to use the throttle. Here we go. Okay, we're at 18 miles per hour now. 20. 23. 24. So it looks like we topped off at 24 miles per hour. Actually 25, we're hitting 25 now. So 25 miles per hour with the throttle.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
Now I'm going to do the uphill test. I'm going to take it up this road. It has a nice steady incline. Let's see if it can maintain the 25 miles per hour with just the throttle. After that, I'll do the downhill test. All right, here we go. Throttle only. So it has a nice smooth acceleration. You do hear the motor initially, but then it levels off. So we're at 23 miles per hour. Now approaching the climb here. Let's see if it can maintain the speed. Looks like we're losing just a little bit of speed. We're at 22. 22 and holding. All right, let's see how it does in this turn here. All right, very stable. All right, so uphill we just lost a little bit of speed. It hit 24 and then we backed off to 22 miles per hour. So not bad at all. It was able to make it up that hill. Now we're gonna go downhill. Again, I'll probably have to slow it down as we approach that turn. So let's see how it does. And this is just gonna be the throttle. All right, we're at 20 miles per hour. Slowing it down. I'm just gonna let it glide here. All right, giving it more throttle now. We're at 25, 26, 27. So it looks like we hit 27 miles per hour going down that hill.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly was straightforward and the user guide along with the video does a good job on walking you through the process. The build and quality of the bike is good. It feels solid and sturdy and there's some good weight to it. It comes in at 90 pounds as mentioned earlier. It has a moped style design with a long wide seat. There was a slight scratch on the back of the seat which more than likely was caused by the shipping process. But other than that, the bike came in good shape. The paint had no imperfections and it has a matte finish. The cable management is pretty organized. The cables are ran through the bike and you get the majority of it in the front. There is a front sleeve that hides most of it. The ride was comfortable. The seat is long, wide and soft. I didn't find my thighs rubbing against the seat when pedaling, which was a plus. Usually this type of seat, your thighs tend to rub against it and it can be a bit awkward when you're pedaling. There were no rattles, vibrations, or noises. The steering felt stable and the handlebars are a good height and length, so you don't have to hunch over. It handled the rough surfaces very well due to the front and rear suspensions, along with the fat tires. They did a good job and absorbed a lot of the bumps. The 750 watt Bafang motor is powerful and had no issues moving the bike. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss. The motor is a bit loud on the initial acceleration but levels off as you gain speed. Using the pedal assist with the 5 modes, I was able to reach 25 miles per hour. With the throttle only, I reached 25 miles per hour as well. It has an estimated range of 22 to 26 miles, and it will depend on the pedal assist level, throttle usage, weight, and the environment you're in. The brakes were adequate and it had decent stopping power. It is a heavier bike and I like that it has the hydraulic brakes. I like the large colored LCD display, bright, easy to read, and simple and intuitive. The front headlights are also large and very bright. Overall, the bike was very comfortable and had good power. If you're looking for a moped style design, this is something to put on your list. So that is my review of the Eahora X9 electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.